Hi guys, and welcome to Cultnomics. My name is Paul Hanley, and today I'm going to be chatting to you about a profit function graph. Hi guys, in today's video we're going to look at calculating the profit level of a firm and how we can relate that in diagram form to marginal revenue and marginal cost, or profit maximizing idea. So what we have here is a firm we've used previously, Vice, which is a producer of tubs of vanilla ice cream. We have information in relation to their costs, their revenue, their marginal cost, marginal revenue, and their profit level as well. And all this information that we have in the table is what we've produced before. So to work out the final remaining part of this table, the profit level, well, profit level is the total revenue of a firm minus the total cost of a firm. So if we look at our table here, for an output level of 0, we have total revenue of 0 and total cost of 200. So revenue of 0 minus 200 cost is minus 200 in terms of profit level. We move to the next output level of 100, where we have revenue of 300 and cost of 300. So one minus the other gives us 0. Then we move to 500 revenue minus 400 cost. So we have profits of 100. 600 revenue minus 500 costs gives us 100 of profit also. 600 minus 600 gives us 0. 500 minus 700 gives us minus 200. And 300 minus 800 gives us minus 500. So here we've worked out the profit levels of our firm. What we want to do is translate these onto a graph where we show both marginal revenue and marginal cost on the top graph up here, and then we translate this into a profit level on the bottom graph. Okay, so for marginal cost, it's relatively straightforward. Marginal cost is simply 1 for each output level. So in that case, what we will do is we will indicate that on our top graph here. So marginal cost is constant at 1, and marginal revenue is more of a downward sloping line. So at a quantity of 100, marginal revenue is 3. So we'll indicate that up here. At a quantity of 200, marginal revenue is 2. So we'll indicate that in here as well. At a quantity of 300, marginal revenue is 1. Quantity of 400, marginal revenue is 0. 500, marginal revenue is minus 1. And 600, marginal revenue is minus 2. So we have our marginal revenue points, and we just fill those in so that we have our marginal revenue curve as so. We're going to label both of these now. So we have marginal revenue, and we also have our marginal cost curve. And the intersection point of both of these, we'll mark it in here now, comes at an output level of 300, and this point is going to be quite important. So that intersection point is where marginal revenue equals marginal cost. Now if we translate our profit level information onto our second graph, we start off with a quantity of 0 and minus 200 for profit. Quantity of 100 gives us profit of 0. Quantity of 200 gives us profit of 100. 300 also gives us a profit of 100. 400 output gives us 0. 500 output gives us minus 200. And 600 output gives us minus 500 in terms of profit level. So we have a profit function, which if we join up the dots here, we can visualize as profit, which will indicate as pi down here. And what we see is where marginal cost equals marginal revenue, our profit maximizing point. If we draw this line straight down, this is precisely the maximum point of our profit function down here. So we can show visually that profit highest point function here is where MC equals MR visually. I hope you call back to Cultnomics soon. Bye for now.